In this video, we are going to present decision validation using the What If module of the Expertus AHP program. This is best explained through an example. Let's consider a recruiting example. A hotel chain is considering hiring a business development manager. They considered 6 criteria and 4 candidates. Here we have the criteria and the candidates. As you can see, availability in 2 weeks is the desired option. In an earlier module, you learned to run Expertus with criteria and candidate. So let's run the module. And here we have the results. This is the optimum result considering the 6 criteria and the 6 candidates. And as you can see, Mary is the preferred choice. Now what we do is we execute the What If module to test our assumptions. So you go to your boss and you say, I recommend that we hire Mary. And the boss asks the simple question, have you tested your assumptions? What if we are willing to pay any amount for the best candidate? And you scratch your head. But with Expertus, it is a one key operation. You run the WIF model, and here we see an interesting graph. The overall optimum ranking that you had before is shown on the left side. This band is the same result you saw earlier. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other bands. Each one represents an n-1 operation. That is a simulation with one criterion removed. Over here we have removed availability, leadership, etc. If your supervisor were to ask you, what if I'm willing to pay any amount? All you have to do is look at the simulation column without salary. Here we see if we are willing to pay any amount, we should consider hiring Sue. There is no other way for us to defend our decision except through a simulation such as this. Let's consider another example. On a consulting assignment, we helped an engineering company open a branch office in Asia. In the original problem, they considered 21 criteria, which we reduced to 13 criteria before the final evaluation. However, for this example, let's only consider 6 criteria and 5 candidate cities. Here are the criteria and the candidates. We run the Expertus simulation and we see the optimum ranking. Sydney is the preferred choice. Once again, we run the What If model and we see this graph. Here we have the original optimum simulation and the 6 bands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them show Sydney to be the preferred choice, except this one band, which shows New Delhi is a preferred choice. Now, what is this band? This is when bureaucracy is removed. Because obviously, the excessive bureaucracy in India has negatively impacted the final decision. So what did this company do? They formed a joint venture with Tata, who knew how to navigate the bureaucratic system in India. Tata is like the Indian government. This is the power of the What If mode within the Expertus software. Give it a try.